Welcome to Module 13, Finalizing and Submitting the Proposal. With the proposal meticulously crafted, rigorously reviewed, and internally approved, the bid process enters its final yet critically important stage. This module delves into the essential procedures and considerations involved in preparing the definitive version of the bid document and ensuring its timely and compliant submission to the client. We will emphasize that even the most compelling proposal can falter at this juncture if attention to detail and meticulous execution are lacking. Drawing upon insights from project management and quality control, this module provides a comprehensive framework for successfully navigating these final steps. Module objectives. Participants will be able to master the process of finalizing and submitting the proposal to a client. We'll learn to conduct final quality checks and proofreading to ensure a polished and accurate proposal. We'll understand how to meticulously format and package the proposal according to client instructions. We'll master the process of adhering to submission instructions, deadlines, and managing electronic and physical submissions. We'll be able to apply principles of project management, quality control, and risk management to ensure a compliant and timely delivery. Proofreading and quality checks. The final polish. Welcome to Lecture 13.1. Amidst the pressure of final deadlines, the critical importance of meticulous proofreading and comprehensive quality checks can be overlooked. However, this final polish is not merely a cosmetic exercise. It is a fundamental pillar of a successful bid submission. Errors and inconsistencies can undermine the credibility of your entire proposal and lead to a lost opportunity. The perils of neglecting the final polish. The consequences of submitting a proposal riddled with errors can be far-reaching and detrimental. Erosion of credibility. Numerous errors, even seemingly minor ones, can create the impression of carelessness and a lack of professionalism. For instance, a proposal for a cybersecurity project with several typos might make a client think, if they can't get their proposal right, how can we trust them to secure our network? Misinterpretation of information, grammatical errors, or ambiguous phrasing can lead to misinterpretations of your solution, pricing, or contractual terms. For example, a misplaced decimal point in a pricing table can lead a client to believe the price is 10 times less than intended, raising serious questions about the proposal's accuracy. Distraction from key messages. Errors can distract evaluators from your core value proposition and key benefits. A single spelling error in an executive summary can pull a reviewer's focus away from your compelling argument, making them start looking for other mistakes rather than absorbing your message. Negative perception of professionalism. A poorly proofread proposal can convey a lack of professionalism and a disregard for quality. Inconsistent formatting with different fonts or heading styles can subconsciously signal to the client that your organization lacks organization and discipline. Undermining the win theme. Even the most compelling win themes can be overshadowed by careless errors, weakening the overall impact of the proposal. If your win theme is meticulous and reliable service, but your proposal is full of mistakes, you are sending a contradictory message that directly works against your core argument. A framework for proofreading and quality checks. To ensure a high-quality submission, you should implement a structured framework that includes multiple stages and perspectives. Individual proofreading. Each author is responsible for thoroughly proofreading their own sections. Peer review and cross-functional checks. Individuals who are not involved in writing can provide a fresh perspective and identify errors. Dedicated proofreading pass. A dedicated individual or team reviews the entire proposal specifically for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and formatting inconsistencies. Quality checks against requirements. A comprehensive quality check ensures that the proposal fully addresses all the client's requirements and aligns with the stated evaluation criteria. Formatting and presentation review. This ensures consistent formatting, professional layout, and clear visuals throughout the document. Final sign-off. A formal sign-off process ensures that all stakeholders are satisfied with the quality and completeness of the proposal. Key takeaways. The importance of bid quality. Proofreading and quality checks are not simply administrative tasks to be rushed at the end of the bid process. They are critical investments in the overall success of the proposal. By implementing a comprehensive framework that encompasses individual responsibility, peer review, and dedicated quality checks, bid managers can ensure that their proposals are presented with the highest level of accuracy, professionalism, and clarity. In the competitive arena of bid management, this final polish can be the crucial difference between winning and losing.